You know it's good when we start eating before the segment.
Yeah.
We're soaking up every bit of summer, and that includes Alex Guarnaschelli's picnic fried chicken and strawberry pie.
I mean, this is the best recipe. And good news for y'all, her restaurant Fair will be featured at the U.S. Open later this month. So scan that QR code for this recipe.
Scan it.
Okay, Alex, hi. Happy summer.
Hi.
Well, before we get into this recipe, though, I have to. We have a thief. We have a thief.
Oh my God, Craig.
Craig.
Are you on?
Are you
Yes.
joking?
Are you kidding me?
It's green chicken.
I mean, it is so good. You want to try some of the dip?
I would have made.
Wait, try the dip. Try the dip. Why are you ducking?
Wait, no, get the dip.
Try the dip.
dip is
The
the best
dip is
part.
like-
Get in there.
While you're at it, take
all the
my
way with
pie.
the drumstick.
There you
All
go.
right.
As we were saying,
You have to come to the U.S. Open and join me at my restaurant Fair. This will be, I don't even know, year 5.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, I love it. It's such a great event, and I make food like this there. So
Good.
that's kind of, I'm
It's what
inspired
people want.
by
let's
it.
talk about what Craig just stole.
Okay,
All right, so the
Craig,
picnic chicken.
So,
You want me to get in here?
Skinless.
Oh.
Chicken
Skinless, you like
thighs,
thighs?
breasts, and we keep the bone in the drumstick because that's fun.
Okay.
And pickle juice.
Oh.
I mean, I'm a pickle girl, and this has pickle all over it.
Yeah, look at you.
That's why it tastes.
You
I'm
saw
trying
the
to get you to
light
make
in my
eye
eyes.
contact, and you're
Staring at the
honing in.
pickle.
So,
classic-
pickle juice.
Yeah.
Okay.
For like an hour, you let it sit. It's like a nice brine. It's a little, kind of like buttermilk adjacent, but not at all.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
It's
Got a
equal.
little salt.
My trick is equal parts flour and cornstarch.
Okay.
Lighter, crunchier.
Makes it crunchier.
Little paprika.
A little salt.
Yep. I love the way you always get into the cooking. The paprika,
we don't
the
want to make
garlic.
you do this all by yourself.
And then you mix it together. You just dip.
Move.
Right out of the brine.
Dip.
And
Put it in there.
Yeah.
Should I do it?
Yeah, do it.
How long
I
did you
love it.
say you do the brine?
I brine for like an hour. You can leave it a little longer if you like it kind of pickly.
I like it pickly.
This is
You
really.
do. And then
whatever
now
did
we go
here.
in there, right in the oil. Look at that. And it's so satisfying. $3.50, $3.75 the oil to start. Make sure your chicken, the oil comes back up to temp before you drop it.
And what kind of oil do you use in there?
I use I use
my
coconut
gosh.
oil. I use sunflower oil. I even fry in olive oil. And then we
Really?
need a little ranch.
This ranch.
Let's talk about this dip. Because I would put this on everything. So let's go.
I love you. She's like, let's talk about the chicken. Let's talk about the dip. So pepper, salt, sour cream, buttermilk.
So good.
Right? Mayonnaise. You know what? I'm just the basics here, people. Right out of the door of your fridge. More garlic powder to echo what's going on over there with the chicken.
Hot sauce.
Worcestershire, dill, a little bit of attitude, and then we mix, and we have our. And you can make this and let it sit in the fridge.
And you can put it on so many things.
I mean, it could be a salad dressing.
You could put it with a veggie platter for snacking.
Yeah.
You could put it on top of a steak, fish, vegetables. You know, you could get cute. Some roasted mushrooms and have like a meatless Monday with this fun ranch. But the crunchy chicken, that cornstarch flour combo, the tangy pickle juice.
I don't want this to end. Alex.
No.
It doesn't have to end because you can join me at Fair during the U.S. Open for a whole meal.
We
And
also have dessert. We
have
can't leave dessert out.
We have a frozen, it's
Sure.
basically a strawberry pie.
Yeah.
Frozen, just ice cream. with
So tell us how you
strawberries
make
and-
it.
It's just ice cream, graham cracker crust, or you could use like a.
Why does it look so fancy?
Because it is. You know
But
how
it's
long it
strawberry
took
ice cream mixed with lemon ice cream?
No, it's just strawberry ice cream.
No,
Little
this is
whipped cream.
fancier. I'm not listening.
It's
No.
fancy. You're not listening.
This is
This is better
beautiful.
than just strawberry
Yeah.
ice cream.
It's strawberry ice cream. It's a little whipped cream. It might have a little something. in
See,
it.
I knew it. I was like, this is not just.
And then the strawberries on top. By the way,
Did you make the strawberry ice cream yourself with these strawberries?
something.
hand churned at 5 a.m. No, not at all. Oh my God, no. That's what I love about this dessert. It's basically store-bought, and you take all the credit. You buy the ice cream, you get your crust. You can make the crust. You can
You
make the
made
ice
this
cream.
crust. Maybe you didn't make this crust.
Somebody made it.
This crust is homemade.
delicious.
Okay, I feel like I'm in court.
No, because it's so delicious that we're like,
You know what the common thread is that I want to point out for summertime,
Talk to
though?
us.
Easy.
Lemon. Yes, easy.
I thought it was pickles.
Get out of the kitchen, right, and into the patio. Lemon on the chicken, lemon on the strawberries. That little bit of acid.
Did you just eat my chicken? I
the crumble. Oh my God! Am I gonna have to separate you two?
No, Alex, congratulations
Thank you.
on your show. I mean, on your show. Are we on television?
no, it is. It's like alcohol, except it's not.
Like we're feeling kind of
It's
drunk.
like so good.
It's an aphrodisiac. Summer food like this, Americana that we want to eat. It literally, you put this down, people are like, okay. No one says, oh, you know.
No, we want this.
Right.
We want it. And you can get it at your restaurant fair at the U.S. Open.
You know it.
Thank you so much. Y'all, get these recipes.
There you go.
This is delicious.
And this dip.